What's up, gang? It's the beginning of 2024 and the goal here at Barber Department is to bring good content all year long. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the sub button and a like on your way out. Today's video is tips on how to get a good high taper. Depending on the length of the top, these tips will work for long or short hair. I started by cutting the top down with the number 3 guard, making sure that I stay consistent so no hair is left behind. And then you can see that I proceeded to use my Barberless FX trimmers to start my bald line, and I don't make a straight line. Instead, I did an angle to give this taper a nice contour when I line it up. Using my ergos with the lever in the open position, I give myself 1 inch of space so I can have a stretched out fade to get the best contract results from that bald to that number 3 guard. Don't forget to get the stubble with your full shaver. This will make your haircuts pop out and last slightly longer. My preference is the Barberless FX trimmer. It's super strong and it does the job. What you want is to have fade control of what you're doing. This means know your lever and learn how to use it. In this section, I use a lot of opening and closing. If the area is too dark, close the lever to line up those dark spots. If the area is light, then hit it with the corner of the blade just to put some detail into it. The same will apply when using guards to start out with the lever open to avoid any mistakes. This helps me avoid pushing up the fade higher than it actually is. As you can see, I stepped up to my 1 guard to set the guide in and step back down with my half guard to take that bulk out. Then up to my 2 guard, then I'll take the section out with my 1.5 guard, and to finalize this fading section, I'll come back and use my 1 guard opening and closing the lever to take out any dark spots to put in detail into my cut. For best results on the lineup, I'm going to use a comb instead of a brush. Since it is straight hair, I want to be able to grab the hair and line it up at its most natural instead of pushing the hair down with the brush. Take your time and step back to use your mirror when lining up. This will help you know that your line is straight and not angled, so use your mirror as your second pair of eyes. When using the razor above the ears, stay consistent with your strokes and pull on the skin to stretch it out. The same applies to the front area. This removes any stubble left behind by the trimmer, resulting in a way cleaner cut. If you made it to the end of the video, this is the result right here. Let me know if this video was helpful or not. Let me know what other cut you want me to do. And also don't forget to give this a like on your way out. Thank you, I appreciate you, and God bless.